Welcome to Ants Unveiled, 25 mind-blowing facts about these extraordinary insects. Did you know that ants have been around for over 130 million years? That's older than many species of dinosaurs. Ants are social insects, living in colonies of thousands or even millions. Each colony has a designated queen, who can live up to 30 years. Speaking of queens, did you know that female ants are the ones who do all the work? The males are only there to mate with the queen, and once they do, they die shortly after. Ants have an incredible strength-to-weight ratio. Pound for pound, they are stronger than humans. Imagine carrying 50 times your own body weight. That's just another day for an ant. They can even lift their own weight with their jaws alone. One of the most fascinating facts about ants is their communication. They use pheromones and body language to communicate with each other. By leaving trails of pheromones, ants can lead others to food sources or even signal danger. It's like their very own language. Ants are also great builders. They construct intricate underground tunnels called anthills or anthouses. Some species even create elaborate mounds above ground. These structures serve as their homes and provide protection from predators. Impressive architects, aren't they? Ants are known for their teamwork. They work together to accomplish tasks that would be impossible for an individual ant. From foraging for food to defending their colony, they know the value of collaborative effort. It's a lesson we could learn from these tiny creatures. Believe it or not, ants are farmers too. Some species cultivate fungi as a source of food. They plant the fungus, take care of it, and even prune it to prevent it from competing with their homes. Talk about being multitaskers. Ants can be found all over the world, except in Antarctica and a few remote islands. They've adapted to various habitats, from deserts to rainforests. So no matter where you go, chances are you'll encounter these amazing insects. Did you know that ants can serve as bioindicators? Changes in their behavior or population size can indicate environmental changes. It's nature's way of showing us that something may be wrong in the ecosystem. So pay attention to those tiny creatures, they have a story to tell. Ants are not only hardworking, but they're also resourceful. They recycle nutrients by consuming dead insects and decaying organic matter. They ensure that nothing goes to waste, making them the ultimate eco-warriors. As we wrap up, let's take a moment to appreciate the remarkable world of ants. They may be small, but they're mighty and play a crucial role in our ecosystems. So, next time you spot an ant, remember, they're not just pests, they're incredible creatures deserving of our respect. Thanks for watching and remember to subscribe to our channel for more amazing nature facts.